Fix VMware Workstation not installing Windows 11 22H2. FYI, the installation process cannot be proceeded due to an error message. This PC can't run Windows 11. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install this version of Windows. For more information, visit https://aka.ms/windows/sysreq to fix VMware Workstation not installing Windows 11 22H2. Follow these steps. 1. Update your host system, say Windows 10. 2. Update your host's hardware if possible. 3. Update or overinstall your VMware Workstation. Notes: 1. You may overinstall VMware Workstation. Install the latest one. 6. 3. Pre-downloading the 16 Pro installer will save your time. 4. Save all your work before proceeding the extra steps below. A new installation or overinstallation will require a system reboot. 5. Do this only when you power off your VM. 4. Modify your virtual machine settings after you complete step 3 above. 4.1 Enable encryption in your virtual machine settings. Notes: 1. Set a simple password. 2. Doing this before install Windows 11 will also save your time. Lots of time. You would create snapshot later, right? 4.2 Enable or choose UEFI only in advanced section under virtual machine settings. 4.3. Install Trusted Platform Module.